Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an organic henna cone. First, make sure your skin is completely clean and dry, free from any lotions or oils. Next, carefully snip a very small tip off the end of your henna cone. A tiny opening creates a fine line, perfect for intricate designs. Before applying to skin, try practicing on a piece of paper to get a feel for the pressure needed to create consistent lines. This helps build confidence. Now, let's move on to application. Hold the henna cone like you would a pen, keeping a comfortable grip. Apply gentle, consistent pressure to release the paste smoothly onto your skin. Start by creating your design's outlines, then you can fill in any larger sections. Remember to work slowly and steadily. Precision is key for achieving those beautiful, intricate henna patterns. Take your time and enjoy the creative process. Once your design is complete, proper aftercare is crucial for a rich, dark stain. Allow the henna paste to dry fully on your skin, ideally for several hours or even overnight. During this time, avoid any contact with water. After the drying period, gently scrape off the dried henna paste using a dull edge or your fingernail. Do not wash it off, as this can lighten the stain significantly. The longer it stays dry, the better. After scraping off the paste, your henna stain will initially appear orange. Don't worry, it will deepen and darken over the next 24 to 48 hours, reaching its full potential. To help moisturize your skin and potentially enhance the stain, you can apply a natural oil like olive or coconut oil. And speaking of upgrades, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. Enjoy your beautiful, natural henna.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.